to the book or yung mga ganon, no? Or mga procedures, mga ganon, no? So if what you think is what is which can I apply in this
In that
situation?
situation.
You have to be realistic and practical na rin.
Yeah.
Ako, I can say no to a person.
Mm.
Kung there's a favor that he's asking that I cannot give, na I'll not be giving false hope sa kanya, I will be frank with him. I cannot do this because it will compromise my position. I have my principles.
Yeah.
But if you can, we can recommend you to other.
Yeah.
Kasi matibag bagat eh.
Accordingly, saying no is the most difficult
Yes,
part of the
because you
job.
would like to please everybody.
Yeah.
No, I am not that kind of
Yeah.
person. If you don't like me, so what?
Mm.
It's not my problem.
Oh, yeah. That's
But
right.
what I'm doing is what I think is right and for the people.
Yes.
It's service. You see.
Mm.
So you have not seen my name there initiated by Mayor Tabanda or mga ganun. Wala.
Mm.
Because that's not my money.
Mm.
And then, this is one thing I always tell the people. Hantay yung utang na loob, ijay, official ko yun.
Mm.
We voted for them as governor because they have to do what is
The mandate.
the responsibility, duties as governor.
Governor, yeah.
They took their oath.
Yes.
Yahan mo nga, and they have the obligation to look for funds,
Yeah.
to look for any resources
Mm.
na maitid na kung na kayo
Yeah.
for the people,
Yes, yeah.
for the benefit of the people.
Yeah.
Hanyang ko na nga, ay, naitid man ni governor dayto eh. But that's his job.
Yeah.
Utang mo loob mo because that's people's money.
Mm-mm.
Even my donations, I don't tell them to put my name ijay. No, I don't put my name there. Because kahit kung tumulong nga. If I have the means.
Yeah.
Because kanya katuhan, one comes na solicit, na awan ti bulsa, what is in my pocket, isot itod ko.
Yeah.
Hang agitod tinagdak ko, hang kaya, it's not,
Exactly.
dumakot I also evaluate, sino ti talaga nga matulungan niya.
I think that's also what is lacking in sa mga kababayan natin, that they see politicians as donors of everything.
And I don't want that nga, adagay Ilocano, yung saying da nga pagbagasan.
Yeah.
I would like to show the people nga, siyakathan nga, di ay ada ka mayor ka itod nya ti kayat you because I have my limitations
of course. Yeah.
My sweldo okay ada ti umay dumawat ti donation and I see to it na inya ti kayak lang nga maitod iso ti itod ko
Right.
ta dumapay kat awan ti bulsak awan ti kwarta ti bulsak so para kay secretary ay adaman ti kamdi itod mo man ikamalang basit resto. You see that?
Pati si secretary na
damay. Because hanggang ngayon nga di ako nadapat pagbagasanda.
Yeah.
Let's change the mindset of people.
Yeah.
Nga sika nga official ka, sikang ti kala ngayon nga mangmangtod aminan, nga for free. So nga ada yung word empowering. That's why ko natin, ada ti livelihood. Sige, I will give you this.
Yes.
So that you'll be empowered to really work. And not just apakalang agdaw-daw-daw-dawat, ang susulisit.
Yeah.
So let's abuse the minds also for our people. So nga do ate ko na nga, imot ni Tabanda or what, but so what ko na. That is what I can really give.
Yeah.
I don't please everybody.
That's nice.
I'm not that, you don't like me, it's okay lang with you.
El Maestro Speaks Podcast.